In this video, I'll show you how to install your mod menu or trainer in GTA San Andreas, the definitive edition. Check my video description for this mod and right click and select pin drawer and select extract to. Password type no space password. Click on OK. Open the extracted folder. Again open the folder and open this setup.exe and select the yes option and select the language and select OK. Select accept and select next. Right click on the game and select open file location. Copy this file path and then just minimize this. Paste the path we copied. Select next. Select next. Install. Select finish. Once installation done, open the simple trainer. Open the game location. Just reload. Open this Clio. Then drop these files except the readme inside this Clio. Once you done this, close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press the F4 to open up this menu and using the mouse you can select the options. Select two door cars, select the car you want to spawn. Same way you can spawn any car you like. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.